Gonna make Mexican corn salad. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We have corn, 1.5 can of corn, I think 340 ml or more, and then 2 seeded sliced tomatoes, and then 1 chopped red onions, and then we have salt, black pepper, and then we have 2 lemon juice, and then we have 2 teaspoons of honey and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, so first I'm gonna mix this one first. Honey. Then the lemon. Yummy. We're gonna put a little black pepper, a pinch of salt, and then we're gonna add here the sweet corn, the tomatoes, and then the onions, and then guys, unfortunately I have no coriander. It's hard to find coriander here in Lapu-Lapu City. We need to go to Cebu City. Okay, so instead of coriander, I just add green onions. But you should put coriander. I just add green onions because I have no coriander. It's hard to find here in Lapu-Lapu City. Need to go Cebu City. And now we're gonna add the dressing. It's yummy, guys. Okay guys, so this is our Mexican corn salad. Look at guys, it's very yummy. Mexican corn salad. It's very refreshing. The corn, the tomatoes, the onions, the black pepper salt. Okay, it's very yummy, guys. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_Bru_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.